Hikmat number 37. When Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, marching at the head of his army towards Syria, reached Ambaz, the zamindars and landlords of the place came out to meet Hazrat Ali. In exuberancy of their emotions of love, faithfulness, and respect, no sooner they saw Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, they got down from their horses and started running in front of him. Hazrat Ali asked the reason for their strange actions. They replied that it was their custom. To show their love, fidelity, and respect, they always acted in this way. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam replied, By God, by your action you do no good whatsoever to your rulers, but you tire yourself and put yourself in toils in this world and in trouble in the next. How unfortunate is that exertion which brings harm here and hereafter, and how useful is that ease which keeps you in comfort in this world and away from the hell in the next.